I've made some modifications. We used it for years and then got a bigger machine, so this one's for sale. Got this in there. The one for the beans goes here. The probe for the beans goes here. I've separated the drum and fan so that they can be independently controlled with a VFD. This is not the way it was originally designed. It used to all be one speed, so you couldn't change one without changing the other. This is the original combustion air fan. As it was being worked on, at some point, the motor shorted out. But instead of getting a brand new blower, because that wouldn't be as cool as this one, I sourced this motor, and that is on a VFD as well. I had a new shaft built for the blower there, so it's just longer than the original, so that I could put a pulley on it. It's been painted again. Got a little sort of matte patina look on that part, and just straight black on the rest of it. Here, I'll turn it on for you. So this is the control box, the electrical box that we had originally. I have since added these VFDs, which obviously will want to be mounted to something maybe next to this box. 230 volts, 220, whatever. 208 is what we have here. That's on. So here we go, running the blower. Running the drum.